Good day people, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be making a free designer's gown. To begin, fold your fabric like this, mark out ½ inch from the top, from that ½ inch measure the full length of the gown, then that remaining extra at the down is going to be the folding allowance. Next, mark out the neck, then the shoulder, after that I'm marking my armhole, which is 8. Then the half length, which is 14. From the half length I'm taking 8. So after marking these lines, we are going to take our bust size. So the bust size, the next thing is the waist size, then the hip size, then the hip size. Now mark out the shape. At the down we are going to add extra ½ inch to form a small A shape. So this is it. Now I'm adding the extra 2 inches at the side of the gown, and that is the line I'm going to take my sewing from, this extra 2 inch that I'm adding now, because it's a free gown. The first line is the real measurements. Then this line I'm rolling now is where I'm going to take my sewing from. Then cuff the armhole. Cuff the neck. Then extra ½ inch for the shoulder. So the back neck is going to be 1.5. I'm going to be cutting out my shape now. First of all, cut out the front neck because the back neck is high, before you cut out the back neck like this. Now shout the zip line like this. Now sew it straight to the down. So this is it. Next, place it together like this from the back, then join the shoulder. After joining the shoulder, I will mark out the other half side of the gown like this. So I'm going to sew through this line. Yes, these two lines. So now that that's done, turn to the front, fold it down. Sew the neck round with a little printing. Notch the neck with your scissors like this. Then fold. So this is the folding. Now we are cutting the hand through the same process we used to get the full length of the gown from the beginning. Remove ½ inch from the top, then from the ½ inch mark out the full length like this. Then the remaining extra at the down will be the folding allowance. So from the top of the hem like this, remove 3 inches. From the side, remove the same 3 inches. Then curve out your shape. Next, the hand size measurements. Then we'll add extra 2 inch at the sides. Now this is my hand size measurement. Then I added an extra 2 inch at the side like this. Notch the top and the down like this. This is how the hand looks like when I'm done. So I'm going to be printing this fabric like this to attach to the hand. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to attach it to the armhole round like this. After pinning it now, I'm going to sew it round. Now from the shoulder line, I'm going to sew the real hand like this. And this is all you have to do to make this dress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also like the video, share the video and feel free to comment. See you in my next video and thanks for watching.